Morning everyone, I am Alok and I am here to present you what is paper leak and who is accountable above this. If we talk about some data to engage with this, in 2020 6 to 8 cases were there, in 2021 8 to 10 cases were there, in 2023 12 to 15 cases were there, in 2024 20 plus cases were there, in 2025 10 to 15 cases were there, and still in 2026 10 plus cases were there and still it is ongoing. What is this? If we talk about, like, according to reports, in 2019 total 65 plus cases were there about paper leaks across in 19 states. About 1.4 to 1.7 crore students and job aspirants were affected by this, like by attempting suicide, like getting in trauma, etc. If we talk about some states which are frequently discussed about this are Haryana, Rajasthan, UP, Bihar and MP. According to Hindustan Times, 14,488 students attempted suicide due to not getting success just because of these type of leaks. They are getting in trauma and stress. According to me, there is not one institution or one person behind this. There is a wide society behind this. If we talk about why and where. Main accountable groups are exam conducting agencies, our society. And why? Exam conducting agencies like NTA, state government board, state recruitment board, education board are not setting papers securely. Digital platforms preventing insider leaks. These type of cases are held in examiner conducting agencies. Like, if agencies are not working on this, then society is responsible for this. Why? Because most of the students are not focusing on their studies and just want to pass and just want to get success. They buy some black papers, like we can say a leak paper. All about this, I want to ask something like, is this a good thing to get success just because you are leaving 10,000 or 1 lakh students behind you just to get pass, or dropping their future? According to Act 2024, which allows that jail term up to 10 years and fine up to 1 crore organized paper leak. That what government are doing. Then also the paper leak condition, or we can say controversies are going on. Thank you.